Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tell if your lawnmower's crankshaft is bent. Typically, your lawnmower's crankshaft will become bent after the blade hits something solid, like a rock, a tree root, or maybe a pipe or other piece of metal buried in the lawn. Because of the blade's high RPMs and mass, when it suddenly stops, that energy is transferred to the crankshaft, and that results in the crankshaft bending. Usually, your first indication of a bent crankshaft will come when using the lawnmower. The handle might vibrate, or you might notice a different noise coming from the engine. So let's take the lawnmower outside and fire it up. So there wasn't a lot of vibration, but definitely more than normal. Also, you probably noticed a knocking sound coming from the engine. The vibration that I could feel in the handle was caused by the out-of-balance blade. The knocking sound was caused by the crankshaft moving side to side. Over time, that side-to-side movement will lead to accelerated wear in the engine. So now we know it's likely that our lawnmower has a bent crankshaft. Next, I'll tip it on its side so we can take a look at the blade and the crankshaft. First, I'll remove the boot from the spark plug. We're going to turn the engine over, but we don't want it to fire. When I tip the mower, I want to make sure I have the carburetor pointed up so fuel doesn't leak. So first I'll inspect the blade and look for an indication that it hit something solid. And right here, it looks like it did. Now I'm going to turn the engine over, and as I do, I'll look for wobble in the blade bolt. You'll probably need somebody to help you do this. One person to pull the cord, while the other looks at the blade bolt. Again, make sure you remove the spark plug wire so the engine doesn't start. You could see as the blade rotated that the bolt wobbled side to side, and that confirms that we do have a bent crankshaft. And that's a couple of tests that you can do to check for a bent crankshaft on your lawnmower.